Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Level of Obiamani Johnson Asiedu Nketia. I have said it once, I have said it twice, I've said it too many times. Messi, time now or babe or begina for chairmanship no. Me bakade. Dadaba Romi Nora homo dadaba. Dadaba oh she NDC fuema. Dadaba wuriza akwar. Ina MPP for so. Me unde wenyu adaho. Me pede mbaka. Me bebisa few questions be. And this is wonderful because Johnson Asiedu Nketia and son or baba a chairman no me a video be can say for him to have gone out there to have said that thing he said about Ofuswan Pafo. The Ofuswan Pafo one call later as in ye no. Ghana needs to be developed for all of us. Thank you, my love. Engrofo me hu de wo ye dede hun onye engrofo from freedom fighters to say or from and fix the country the engrofo wo ye dede hunu ohini David na onye wodom na Dr. Ren na wodom wo ye dede hun. The only thing we are left with is these two parties. So one found one akoshifuni nyina mbom na one brain somebody else to be the third supposed force na one jaded in here. NDC say John Mahama say Obampa Nkrofo would will be sade 4 years pay 4 years pay. Yes, because he sees beyond 4 years. John Mahama has no intentions to come for 4 years and go. No, John Mahama has intentions to come for 4 years and in the first year or two, change the constitution so that he can do another term. You best believe that shit. John Mahama, on but now 4 years, non kwada. Asiedu Nketia, sawa enye NDC nya inyimuno. Non, shut the fuck up. Ame mi NDC, mapa na minim de Asiedu Nketia. Owo supposed justified reason bia ozichi John Mahama tebiom abuana or kawno or wutam numu abuana or kawon inside your cloth not outside. Johnson Asiedu Nketia mosquito oh John Dramani Mahama because of Assembly John Mahama came. Me Asiedu Nketia, what do you know MPP na what tribalistic political issues in one? NDC for so when you radio, when you ready, Haruna when you fan oyara. Johnson Asiedu Nketia on your chairmanship no show, flag bearership no show. Mabaka extra one. Time away chairmanship and more video na one. Mabaka one day Johnson Asiedu Nketia. He knows for a fact the things are obey ya Obama John Mahama oboji. But opede John Mahama oji. Na ochede hey did you people know how Napoleon friend guy Okoria of Alba. When we read the history, Asiedu Nketia, ni goal on your flag bearership. Fuck the chairmanship. Mokase na no na fum ye. Nya na no na fum yo. Oka sa asem no o say ye krade no machines na say na ko him buy no. Just Asiedu Nketia, he is the person who Munieni. Oh my John Mahama mbao. Na say John Mahama ori next year. Who do you think Flag bearership is looking nkrofo pa. One huge mistake NDC is making. Sister Samson wa fawaswa bra. One huge mistake. The same place Lordina Mahama got money to buy that 30,000 pound sterling bag, no. That abay. The same place. Ewana Samira Sonye Sikano. See, I want us to do something. Maka check Kevin Taylor once and I'm going to repeat it to him again. I would love that Obiti the Kevin Taylor saw the petty shit like a handbag nonsense about a huge platform that should be discussing policies. That should be discussing the good of his candidate now. No, obey a correct comparison there. Ye would the Samira kitadam bagi no be zen. Yes, I am giving programs to Samira to undertake. And if she's able to tell me them where she cannot do so, because me this cannot less than the bad now unkofaka for price now, but then what I have to say, I will say it. But I'm not going to come and do some nonsense, petty, whatever in your bag and nobody isn't. Do we have to discuss it? Yes, Ibisha would bring that shit out. Bring your shit out. Sewa broni na sam na mabe na mubutu to Kevin Taylor no. Dadaba, sewa broni up until the time that she was allegedly, supposedly ambushed, she was MPP, enjoying Ghana money. Anna, why didn't Kevin discuss that too? We are coming to talk of Samira's bag. Nana Akufo-Addo Odzi Samira usota friend no contian. O mani sika me no zi bisi dan. How much is that? Dadaba, how much is that? If we want to go and do Dama, let's go and find the other one too. Then we will come to the position there. They are all the same. Will that stop me from being friends with Samira? No. If Samira is doing something bad, will I say it? Yes. Can Kevin Taylor do the same? No. Kevin Taylor no be no baka train there. John Mahama, where was the bauxite? Ozama na brother. The same Kevin Taylor, Nasisi always sing a friend then always sing John Mahama ni praises. Why is it different from me? In Tabazi, I have come and I have told Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia humbly, umbra number admit no mistake in whatever went wrong with the economy. This is what I did wrong. Why can't he also stand again and campaign that? Give me chance to come and do it. John Mahama is saying that he has now found his mistakes. When they said John Mahama, I came and I said, listen, young people day. John Mahama, you're yami now, yen flag bearer. He has boldly said that Sankanyan Sanyibi when this man called Jina. Anna. What I'm saying is, why would a platform like Kevin Taylor be discussing handbag when Ibisha would tame? Ibisha would tame. Ibisha would tame. Can we put that as